My name is Jeff Kleinfutz. I work here at Maguire's, part of the sales team in Hershey. I have a 2018 Blue Escape SE with a light gray interior, two-tone. Got the heated seats, dual climate, touchscreen with backup camera. She only has a little over 24,000 miles there. Show you the back here. The seats fold. You can fold both down or have both up, however you'd like to configure it. It's got the cargo shade included with this vehicle with some extra mounts there. And you can see how it goes, one side's up, one side's down. Show you the tires. And these have brand new tires, front and back. Rims look good. Interior is very clean. It's got the automatic headlights, fog lights. Show you those miles one more time. Only 24,000 for a 2018. Auto start stop technology. Power e-brake right there. It's a dual climate, heated seats, touchscreen with a backup camera. We're here at Maguire's in Hershey. Come check us out.